So we are at the Bethany Center in Lakeland. Bethany Center is part of Good Shepherd Hospice. We are the resource center that's utilized to support grieving families and children. So the comfort bags are designed for children. We have the orange bags for our littles. We have green bags for our middles, which are your more middle school age children. And the royal blue bags are for the bigs. So those are your teenagers, high school kids. The resources that are inside them are all various things to help a child go through something difficult, like the loss of a loved one. We also have specific coping skills for age-specific levels, and we also provide them an age-appropriate book or a guide journal that can help them through their grieving process as well. So the toolkits are designed for the professional, whether it be a first responder, for a school social worker, mental health facilitator, anybody in the schools that's working with the children. These resources for the toolkits are designed for that professional to work with a child or a group of children who are grieving the loss of a loved one. And the toolkits have various games. There's a game called the Good Morning game, it helps the child talk about their mourning process and their grieving process. There's the Ungame, there's Uno, there's Jenga. All these games can be attributed to working with kids. You can identify with these games with their feelings. That way they can share and they can process through what's going on. There's also age-appropriate books. All the books have different talking points in them so that they can help these kids process through what's going on. So we're working very, very hard through this outreach program. Our first phase was to reach out to the school district. And so we worked really hard at getting those professionals in here for a tour at the Bethany Center. When they come in for their tour, we make those arrangements for each of those professionals to receive a toolkit, as well as a few of the comfort bags at their age-appropriate levels so that they can distribute those to the children when they need to. The second phase of our project is starting to work with our first responders. So our police chaplains, fire chaplains, and things like that. The toolkits are restructured just a little bit because some of the things that are in the toolkit for the school professionals aren't as appropriate for in the moment type of situations that the first responders are going to have. So we've revamped them a little bit. Same style, same bag, same style, just revised the contents just slightly.